ring light unboxing. Okay, so this here is my baby, my 10 inches ring light. Right here it says ring fill light, and it is multicolor temperature. It is actually a fill light, but this is what I have for now, and I'm going to be using it as my key light. It'll just have to do. Let's find out.
In this box and see what we have. Okay, so right here it says 10 inches, 26 centimeters. Oh, okay. Let's see. This fell off. So put this aside. So I believe everything is already set. Here we have a tripod, a small tripod for this, and this is, I think I'll screw it on to the ring light. Okay, so it's actually very beautiful, the phone clip, and I can set and reset this. Okay, so these are the controls. I think this one's for on and off, increase, reduce, and this should be to change the color pattern. Okay, so just a 3 setup. Everything is already set. Even this is already inside, and with the tripod, I'm not going to be using this tripod anyway because I already have another tripod. That's why I bought this one actually, because I have a tripod already. So this will just be there. Maybe I'll use it for something else. This is the knob for the head. Maybe to rotate it. All right, let's open this up. Let me see. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, yeah, just like I said, the knob to make sure the light is going all the way. Okay, so let's test it out and see how it looks. Okay, so one thing I like about this ring light is that you can plug it directly. As you can see, it's a USB powered ring light, so you can plug it with your power bank. Very durable. Okay, let's test it out and see what we have here. So plug straight to my power bank, and from here I can just turn it on. Ooh, okay, that's pretty bright. Change the color. See, this is the different color temperatures we have. I don't know if you can see it. It's actually very bright. So let me try reducing it a little. Okay, so this is the this is the yellow, this is the white, kind of like daylight temperature, and this is like a mid-tone temperature. Let me increase this. Wow, so it goes really bright. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to damage the sensors on my camera, but I know you can see it already. Okay, so I'll plug this directly to my tripod stand and see how it looks on video. Okay, so I'll just have to put this knob right here, tighten it up, and I think right here will go to my tripod stand, and then I'll see how it goes on video. So let's this is how everything looks with my natural lighting, everything normal. So let me turn on the ring lights right now and let's see the difference. Okay, so this is I think this is brightest. This is the brightest. Let me reduce it a little to the lowest. Okay, this is the lowest right now. Let me increase it. Alright, and I'm looking late. Let's change this color temperature. Okay, this yellow. Let's see, how does this look? Alright, this is like more like daytime temperature. So I think I like this color. I think I prefer this one. It looks kind of good, even though I can't really see myself because I'm filming on my phone, but I'll see it in post edit. So yeah, guys, this is my 10 inches ring light. I really hope this comes out well. Yeah, I think even the background is a little bit late. I can see from here, so I need another light behind me, but all that in due time. Let's change this. All right, guys. Okay, so we're back to the way we used to be, and let's see the difference again. On, yeah, off, on, yeah, off, on, off.
So if you're new to this channel, make sure you click the red subscribe button and also leave me a thumbs up. On this channel, I do tech and gear reviews, unboxing videos like this one, and tutorials on how to do YouTube in Nigeria and in Africa. That being said, I'll see you in the next video.